Alright, so if your computer feels slow, laggy, or just not smooth anymore, don't worry. In Windows 11, you don't always need upgrades or paid tools to boost performance. In 2026, there are plenty of free built-in tricks that can make your PC feel way faster. So let's go step by step and optimize it. First, restart your PC. It clears memory, stops background tasks, and gives a fresh start. Now open Task Manager and go to Startup Apps. Disable anything you don't need when your PC turns on. Next, close unnecessary background apps. They silently use CPU, RAM, and disk power. Check your storage. If your drive is full, your PC will slow down automatically. Delete unused files or move them to external storage. Now reduce animations and visual effects. This makes your PC feel much smoother instantly. Remove apps you don't use anymore. Less software means less background activity and better speed. Use built-in storage tools to remove temporary files and cache. These build up over time and slow things down. Make sure your system is updated. Updates often improve speed and fix performance bugs. Run a security scan. Malware can slow your PC without you even noticing. Set your power mode to balanced or best performance. This gives your system the right balance of speed and efficiency. So yeah, that's how to boost your PC performance for free in 2026. No software, no upgrades, just smart built-in tweaks that actually work.